Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. Okay, y'all. So today I'm going to show y'all how to make. Now, this design that I'm going to show y'all, you can use this as earrings or you can use this as a pendant. Okay, so this is going to be part one because this technique, it takes some time for me to show you all how to make the earring, and it takes about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes to do it. So let's go ahead and get right on into this. So for this project, you're going to need 24 gauge wire. Okay, you're going to need about 24 inches or maybe 15 inches, 16, whatever you have, of 24 gauge wire. Okay, you're going to need your cowrie shells. I have 4 of them. You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, and a piece of sandpaper. Now this is optional. You don't really necessarily need the sandpaper, but to me, the design that I'm going to show you how to do is that you want the back of your cowrie shell to be completely, not completely flat, but nice and smooth, okay? So you just take your sandpaper, and you can find the sandpaper at your local Dollar Tree. You can get sandpaper from anywhere, but the Dollar Tree has it, and they have it in all grades, okay? So this is basically what I'm doing. Okay. All right. So once you do that, sand them down. You can sand them down as much as you see fit. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to take one of my cowrie shells and I'm going to come from the back. Let me see, wait a minute, y'all. Yeah, I'm going to take my wire and put it through. I'm going to pinch this piece up like this. And I'm going to start wrapping the front piece around, okay? So I'm going to take and put it through. You're going to have this piece. You're going to have this piece, the short piece. The short piece should be in the back. And then the long piece is going to be coming in the front. And then I'm going to go to the back. Okay, just like this. Push it through. Pull it up. Pull it up just like this. And you're going to do this at least 3 times, 2 or 3 times. Trying to make sure this is nice and tight. Okay, so you want to try to make sure that it's nice and tight. So that's one. You want to go to the back again, take it up to the front, and then just pull it all the way through, making sure that it's nice and tight. Okay, that's 2. And then we're going to do it one more time from the front to the back. Actually, I'll probably do it 4 times. So that's 3. Okay, just making sure that it's nice and tight. And then we're going to take and go to the back again. Okay, pull it all the way through, bring it over. And you want to make sure that it's going down in that dip. If you look on your cowrie shell, you can see that little, that's what you wanted to go down into. You wanted to snug. So now we've done this 4 times. Okay, actually, yeah, 4 times. And then this piece should be coming out of your shell, okay? So then you want to take your next shell and you want to take and run that through the front of your shell like this. Take that through. So this part is going to be coming out of this shell. You're going to place this shell. Wait a minute, y'all, hold up. You're going to take this shell and you're going to take your wire and you're going to take it through the front of your shell, okay, like this. You're going to bring it all the way down, and I'm going to show you what it looks like this. Trying to get it to focus. And then you want to take it and pinch it to the back like that. And then you want to wrap this one. You are trying to make sure you go down in there. You want to wrap that one about 3 to 4 times. So we're going to take it through again. That was one time. And it's gonna, this wire is going to ravel on you, so don't have a fit. Okay, you just pull it up. And take it over, and you want to take it through again. Take it through again. Pull it all the way down. All the way down. Okay. And bring it over, if at all possible, to bring it up. And as you can see, this is what your piece is looking like so far. And then we're going to do it one more time. So far we've done it 3. This is number 4. Take it through all the way down. And it might get a little caught. Bring that over. This. Okay, tighten it. And this is what you should have. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your next piece, and this time you're going to go from the back. So you're going to take your piece and you're going to take your wire and you're going to go to the back of your piece and take it and bring it to the front of your wire. So you're going to bring it to the front like this, and that's going to put that right here. Okay, and then you're going to take and start wrapping this piece right here, this one. You're going to take it through this one, okay? So we're going to take it through here. You're going to take it through. Bring it all the way down. Okay, and you're going to wrap it a few times. So I'm going to flip it to the back like this. Okay, so what you're going to do next, this is the back. You're just going to take your piece of wire, take it through that cowrie shell, and then you're just going to start wrapping that cowrie shell. You're going to start wrapping these two together. Okay. All right, if you can see where I'm going at with this. So we take it through, and you're going to do it a couple times until pretty much, wait a minute, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna take it through. Continue to pull it. Okay. And then take it back to this way. Pull it through. Straighten it out. Bring it down. Just making it tight. And like I said, as you can see, I'm just gonna take it through. And you wanna do this, like I said, as many times as possible so that it can be nice and tight, because you want it to be stiff. You don't want it to be moving. So you're gonna just have to use a little bit of wire to get it to your liking. Okay, now I'm gonna bring this up so y'all can see exactly what I have going on here. And then we're gonna take it back through this way and pull it on down like this. And then go back. Now this is gonna be my last time. I'm gonna take it through here one more time. And I'm gonna pull it like this. And this is what I have so far. This is how my piece is looking. Now what I'm going to do next is I have a piece right here in the back that I'm not doing anything with, and I'm gonna just take and snip that off right there. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come out of my shell from this side, and I'm going to add on my next shell. Okay, wait a minute, y'all. Let me see. Okay, and I'm going to add that on, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my shell, and I'm going to take my wire and go through the front of my shell like this and pull it. Wait a minute, y'all. Pull it just like this. Okay. All right. And then what I'm going to do next is I am going to do the same thing I did with these two shells, wrapping them together. This time, I'm going to wrap these two together. So I'm going to take my wire to the back, and then I'm going to take and enter it to the back through this shell right here. And I'm going to take it all the way down like this and pull it and come back this way. And then I'm going to take it to the front of this one, and I'm going to wrap that until I get it as tight as I want it to be. But you want to also make sure that while you're wrapping it, that you want your corner to kind of sort of be down in there as you're wrapping. You want it to look unified. So now I'm going to take this through like this, and then I'm going to come back over here and take it through this one. And like I said, you're going to do this until your cowrie shell gets stiff or stop moving. Take it to the back. Okay, and this way, the way that I'm showing you how to wrap this, it is nice and neat. Your wire is not a mess. Okay, this is nice and neat. So you take it, okay, and then you want to take it back through here. And you can do this, like I said before, a couple as many times as you see fit, because you just want you want it to be, you don't want your shell to be moving, you want your shell to be stiff. Okay. So I'm going to take it through probably a couple more times. This is the back. Okay, take it through. All right. See that? And we're going to take it back through here. Okay, pull it down. All right. And this is pretty much it. This is pretty much what you want. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and go through. I'm going to go, let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm at the back of my cowrie shell. The last one that I went through was this one. And then I'm going to go down my side like this. And I'm going to go over to the other side like this. Now I'm going to take and go this way with it. Okay. And then go back over to this side. And then wrap it around this one. Now I know that was a lot. I hope I didn't lose y'all. Okay. And then I'm going to bring it down. And I'm going to snip it right in between. Let me see. I think I'm going to take it. I pulled it down through this to the side. And now I'm going to take it through. I'm just going to see if I can get it through here, which I think I can. Yep. Okay, I'm going to keep pulling it until I can get it, because the wire you definitely want to hide. Okay. And then pull that through, and I'm going to take and just come right here and snip this. Okay. And here is your cowrie. This is another design that you can use. And actually, I have a prototype right here that I did earlier. And this is another design that you can use to make, you can do this, and you can make earrings, you can make a pendant, you can hang some other stuff from it. So this was just part one, and y'all are going to have to excuse me for it being as long as it is. But this is a project where it requires a lot of wrapping, and the wrapping is very detailed because it has to be wrapped a certain way in order for your item to for you to get this look. Okay. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all for joining me. I greatly appreciate all of your support. And so once again, I want to say thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome week, my beloved kings and queens. And until the next one, peace and blessings. And thank you to all my new and my super supporters. Peace and blessings, y'all. See ya.